Hi guys, today I need some expertise help. I bought these two locomotives at the swap meet. They have a QSI quantum sound decoder in them. So the problem is when the handset, DCC handset is set to go forward, these two locomotives go backwards and vice versa. So I think it's programmed to do it that way. Uh, this QSI decoders, they have a reed switch which is right there behind the chip housing. So if you hold a magnet against it and turn the power up all the way on a DC mode, uh, it will reset the decoder. So I have done that. I researched it on YouTube, and I have done that. And the cool thing about these decoders, it talks back basically. So if you reset it, it will say reset. If you set a CV, it will tell you the CV number and the data number, which is cool. But anyway, so right now you can see the rear LED is on, but it's dim. The front one is off. So, and the DCC handset is set to go forward. So, see when I push the throttle, now it's supposed to go backward, but it's going forward and the light comes on in the front. Now it's supposed to go forward, the back light comes on full strength. When it goes forward, the rear light comes on dim. Okay? So then the front light comes on full strength. See? So the front is full strength, the rear is dim. Now vice versa. So anyway, I looked on QSI website. They have a DCC decoder manual. It's 468 pages. I went through all the indexes and it's about 10 pages, I think. I looked at all the titles. There is no reversing the motor function or anything, so I don't know. I I couldn't find anything. If any of you guys is familiar with this QSI sound decoders on how to reset this, so I think this reed switch is for analog mode. I don't know. I think it has analog mode and digital mode. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not. These are from 2006. These are before I started on DCCs and stuff. So these are before my time, and I'm not familiar with them. And I'm kind of lazy to go through all the pages of that the manual. So anybody knows how to do the reset on these decoders or how to program the CVs on the decoders here so then they start to operate normally. So please send me a comment. I would appreciate it. And that's it. So hopefully anybody out there, somebody knows something about these things, so can help me a little bit already. So I'm gonna turn the sound on so you can. They sound really nice. They have all the uh, you know filters and dry filters and also air pumps and stuff. They sound pretty nice. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention. I thought these are hardwired this way, the motor and the lights, but it doesn't look like it because the LED is in the right location, and these are factory mounted decoders. So this board here is for the rear LED, and it's mounted on the board, and also the front one is also mounted directly on the board, so it doesn't look like that they ran wire from front to the back and the back to the front. And I reversed the you can see the red hitch rings and stuff, so I reversed the motor, but I thought I can do it, change all the wiring and stuff, but I said let's see if I can figure out to set it up with the CVs and stuff. So if I can't figure it out how to do with the CVs and stuff, so basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rewire the motor and the two LEDs. I guess that's the last resort. All right, thanks for your help.